Welcome to the Peak Impact Mentorship. Today again I'm back with a new topic. Learn every year something new. Why am I saying this? In one of the very famous book of John Maxwell, which was released, I think in 2019 it was released, the book's name was Leader Shift. In that, one of the topic which John covers is this, that the way things are changing today, 20 years back in 1980s era, long-term plan used to be 20 years. Short-term plans used to be 5 years. Today, in 2020, when we're talking about long-term plans are 2 years and short-term plans are less than 6 months. That means if every year we are not learning new things, we will be quite obsolete very soon. Now, observe this curve which I am showing you. In this curve, this is a sigmoid curve, which is a very popular and very famous curve. So one curve in red line and another curve in blue line. In the red curve you observe there are 2 points A and B. Understand very clearly this point. So when you're at point A is a point where you're at the peak of your career, when you're growing and you have a little bit more peak left. Point B is when you have started falling down in your career. When I say career, it can be a business also. Everything which starts one day has to go to fall. There's a cycle, you cannot stop it. Just like if somebody got a birth, he has to die. Similarly, anything which starts has to fall one day. Trust me. When I say it falls, only those companies will not fall who will keep on adapting to the new changes. So ideas of 2020 may be obsolete in 2030 for sure. My company may still exist, but if same idea I'm going to implement in 2030, definitely that company is gone. So what he needs to say is, so when you're in the rising phase of your curve, say, observe this red line, when you're in the rising phase of your curve, at that point in time, you can always start a next curve. Because anything when you start new, there will be always a lag period. There will be time when you have to invest your time, money, energy, and it will not come to the break-even period. It will not come to where you can make any money or profit out of it. So when is the best time to invest this in a project? Obviously not when the project is failing. The time when your project is rising, that point in time start another project. Now let me relate it with your career also. Let's say long term, a lot of people say me, I want to become an entrepreneur. I always say them, start your entrepreneurship journey when you are successful, not when you are failure. Because when you are failure, that point in time you will be looking for a job, you cannot do anything else. But unfortunately what I have found, most of the people come into a stage of life when they are in the comfortable phase. When they are successful, they are basking in the glory. And by the time when they face the heat, that point in the eyes opens up. And that time, they don't have much to do, by the way. So that's what you should do. So it means learn every year something new. If that you can keep, that is known as a fresher's mindset. If you can keep that, you will lifelong grow and you will never have any opportunity problem, no matter what is the era. You will never have any problem because you are a learner. That's what I wanted to cover today, folks. So I'm sure you related with it. If you find some connect with this, what I covered, drop your comment. And if you have never been part of my workshop till now, I welcome you to my workshop where every Saturday I cover something interesting, something which can help you provoke your thinking, something which can make you work on your future, and something which can help you grow. And more or less it will stretch you. If you want to grow, then nominate for our workshop, contact one of our Peak Impact Mentorship coaches or volunteers. And if you do not know any such person from PIM, then drop your comment. I will make sure that you get the pass for the event and I will meet you up. Looking forward to add more value to your life. Until then, goodbye.